welcome back. I just take up the circle already, so now I do something there, and then I squish it like this. Pop out, and there's the baby, and place it in, right in the plate. So, and then we get over here and we get in. And